Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia G10 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So firstly, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer, and tap on the contact you would like to edit and choose this big button Edit Contact. Now we have to tap on this camera icon right in the middle, and as you can see we've got two different options. So first of all we can take a photo, and this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, because your device will open the camera app so you will be able to catch a photo. Or we can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Right now we have to find the photo we would like to use and tap on it, and as you can see from this step we can adjust the size of this square. We can also change the position of the photo, and we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So just position it like you want to, and here you can also rotate the picture, so it's really up to you how you want to set it. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on Done in the right corner. As you can see, it appears right here, but remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner, it's very important. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied. After getting back, you can also see it on the contact list here, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Nokia G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.